Hello, my dear traders. Very welcome. And today also you are with Uttam's Trading Academy. And today also we are going to have another session with binary options. Are you ready, guys? Let's go forward today day trade. All right, my dear traders, let's go forward today day trade. And guys, in my live account, I have $1,000, $1,000, and I choose the currency pair USD CHF. And the first investment is going to be $1,000 all in, guys. So let's push down with this market currency pair, and let me analyze, let me tell you what's going on with the market, guys. So I found two resistive zones and one supportive zone here, and the market is bouncing in between two resistive zones and one supportive zone. And guys, right now it's pushing down, guys. So so far so good. I put my $1,000 all in a stake, guys. So that's why I really need to make this profit, guys. If I'm not making profit, it's like, guys, I'm gonna zero. So far so good. Yeah, sure, I'm sure about this one, guys. So by the way, and guys, this is a really important trade, first trade today. My first trade, in my first trade I put $1,000, $1,000 all in, guys. So by the way, I need to make this. Yeah, I'm gonna make, yeah, made it, guys. $1,800, and my clean profit is $800. And let's change the currency pair with $800, guys. Not here. Very strange, guys. Not here. Yeah, not here. Also not here. Not here. Very strange. Yeah, here. Okay, let's push down. And guys, let me explain you what's going on in the market, guys. Market is fragile. Like, look at this, guys. It's went down, went up, went down. It's little by little growing up, like, and so it's time to push down because it hit the climax, and then it's time to push down. And according to the RSI indicator below, also we can see it has been reaching to the, no, it's a little bit reaching to the overbought zone, guys. And now according to the RSI indicator, it's pushing down. So that's why we have this very big opportunity. And also in this red candle on the top of this green, the red candle, I can't see, guys, shadow. It means, guys, there is a really big opportunity with the selling option. So that's why I decided to sell. So by the way, so far so good. Yeah, I'm gonna make it for sure, guys. So look at this, $1,504 profit. And let's change the currency pair and let's push down, guys. So with $800, and let me explain, guys. So look at this, guys. It went up, it's pushing down, guys. And also it has been reaching to the overbought zone, and it's time to push down. And the whole market pattern is, guys, little by little it's grew up, guys. It means, guys, this is a bullish pattern, guys. So the whole market pattern is bullish pattern, like a bull, guys. Red bull, yeah, not a red bull, green bull. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna make it, guys. So by the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button for this video, guys. So and also, guys, it's available additional videos here, my previous videos. Watch it and improve your day trading knowledge. Okay, all right, gonna make it, guys. Yeah, made it, guys. $1,536 profit, guys. And let's push down again. Okay, all right, guys. If you don't know about the RSI indicator and overbought zone, oversell zone, everything available in my previous videos, guys. Watch my previous videos if you are a beginner for this video, guys. And also don't forget to follow my VIP Telegram channel, guys. All the links below in the description, you can find it easily. And follow my VIP Telegram channel, be a community member there. It's available an ocean of extra educational things, my tactics, my experiences, my analysis about day trading and day trading online updates also available. If you're a beginner, you definitely you will become a professional day trader within couple of weeks with the help of my tactics. And also we are sharing there my followers also sharing their experiences there. You can improve your knowledge, guys. Look at this, look at these guys. My another profit, guys, $1,536 profit. Let's push down again, guys. With the trend, guys, follow the trend, guys. Every time follow the trend. If you are following trend, guys, you will never lose your money, guys. So, and also, guys, the most important thing, when you are following trend, guys, sometimes it's appearing some fake candles. Be careful with the fake candles. Don't it's like don't get misunderstand about the market. So follow the trend properly. Use my tactics, guys, and use my instructions. If you are following my instructions and my tactics, guys, you will become a really profitable and professional day trader, guys. So all you have to do, follow my VIP Telegram channel. All the links below in the description, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna make it, guys. Yeah, for sure. Okay, all right. Let it make me happy, guys. Okay. $1,536 profit again, guys. Let's go with $2,000, guys. Yeah, let's push down up. Let me yeah. What's going on? Fake candle or something like that. Okay, all right, money in stake. Yeah, let's push up, and let me explain you what's going on with it. Went up, went down, guys, and it hit the bottom. Look at this, guys. The two supportive zones and one resistive zones, and market should be bouncing in between resistive zones and supportive zones right now. So that's why I decided to put my $2,000 in stake, guys. It's a really it's a stake, guys. So if I did some mistake, so I'm gonna lose my $2,000, guys. So that's why I should be careful. So yeah, so far so good, guys. Yeah. Okay, all right. Please candle make me happy, baby. Okay. Yeah, candle, green candle is going to make me happy, guys. Make me happy. And this one is my yeah, look at this, guys. $3,840, and it's enough for me for today, guys. And in my live account, $6,552. And guys, I started up with $1,000, and I have made $5,552 profit for today day trade. My day traders, you will never believe this. From today day trade, guys, I have made $5,552 clean profit, and it's the best day trade in my life, guys, in my whole life today, guys. So if you want to become a professional and profitable day trader like me, guys, follow my instructions, follow my tactics, and let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Uttam's Trading Academy. See you and take care, guys.